Hi dear students, so welcome to another class of EVS portions. And last class we discussed about our first lesson, our country and festivals. So in this chapter we studied about some basic facts about our country and some of the festivals celebrated in India. So which is our country? India. India is our country. And what is the spelling of the word India? I-N-D-I-A. India. So India is our country and India is our motherland. So motherland, India. India is our motherland. And it has many states and our state is Kerala and our mother tongue is Malayalam. Then we studied about some national symbols, and the first and important one is our national flag. And our national flag of India is called tricolor or Tiranga. Our national flag is called tricolor or Tiranga because it has three colors. So the three colors in our national flag are saffron, white and green. So which are the three colors in our national flag? Saffron, white and green. Then the national anthem, and our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, and it was written by Guru Rabindranath Tagore. Then we studied about national song, our national song. And which is our national song? It's Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and our national anthem was written by Guru Rabindranath Tagore and our national song was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Then national emblem, and on your textbook so national emblem and is Satyameva Jayade. Then we studied about our national animal, national bird and other basic facts. Okay, so which is our national animal? Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. And which is our national bird? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. And mango is our national fruit. Then banyan tree is our national tree. Then rupee is our national currency. And lotus is our national flower. Then we already discussed about some of the festivals celebrated in India, and they are national festivals and religious festivals. And which are the three main national festivals celebrated in India? They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August in every year, and Republic Day on 26th January and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. And Gandhi Jayanti marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Then now today we are going to study about religious festivals. Religious festivals. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S, religious festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S, religious festivals. So say the spelling of religious festivals. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S, religious festivals. And we celebrate many religious festivals, and some of them are Christmas, Eid, Diwali and Guru Purab. So these are the four main religious festivals celebrated in India: Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas. And the first one is Diwali. Diwali is also known as Festivals of Light, Festival of Lights. And the first one is Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-Y, Diwali. And the second one is Eid, E-I-D, Eid. And the third one is Guru Purab, G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B-S, Guru Purab. And the fourth one is Christmas, and the Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. Christmas. Okay, so these are the four main religious festivals: Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, and Christmas. So the first one is Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. D-I-W-A-L-I. And the second one is Eid. E-I-D. Eid. And Guru Purab. G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-D-S. Guru Purabs. Then Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. And Diwali is also known as Festival of Light. And the festival is mainly celebrated by Hindus. Diwali is mainly celebrated by Hindus. It is a religious festival and the festival is celebrated mainly by Hindus. Okay, so it is called a religious festival and it is also known as Festival of Light. Diwali is also known as Festival of Light. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Festival. O-F of Lights. L-I-G-H-T-S. Lights. Festival of Lights. Then, and it remains as of the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. So it is celebrated mainly by Hindus and it is known as Diwali is also known as Festival of Lights. So which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Diwali. Diwali is known as Festival of Lights. And we celebrate Diwali by decorative lights, sweets and firecrackers to mark the day. Then the next one is Eid. Eid is celebrated mainly by Muslims. This is a religious festival of Muslims and it marks the end of the month Ramzan. Then people wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray on this day. Then Guru Purab. Guru Purabs are celebrated mainly by Sikhs. And it marks the birthday of Sikh Gurus. Mark the birthday of Sikh Gurus. Birthday of B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday of Sikh Guru. S-I-K-H. Sikh Gurus. G-U-R-U-S. Sikh Gurus. And Christmas. Christmas is mainly celebrated by Christians and we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December in every year and it is mainly celebrated by Christians. And songs called carols, C-A-R-O-L-S, carols, songs called carols and cakes and gifts by Santa Claus mark the days. So these are the four main religious festivals: Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Diwali is called a festival of lights. Then Eid. Eid is a religious festival of Muslims. And Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated by Sikhs and it is marked the birthday of Sikh Gurus. And Christmas is mainly celebrated by Christians and we celebrate Christmas on 25th December in every year. Okay, so these are the four main religious festivals. So we studied about 3 national festivals celebrated in India and 4 religious festivals celebrated in India. So these are the 4 religious festivals celebrated in India: Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas. So take your textbook and take the page number 129 and here is our portion, religious festivals. So look at your textbook and read the text and listen carefully. Religious festivals. We celebrate, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. We celebrate many religious festivals. Some of them are given below. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights. This festival is mainly celebrated by the Hindus. It reminds us of the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after spending 14 years in exile. Decorative lights, sweets and firecrackers mark the day. Then here, this is Diwali and this picture shows Eid. Eid is a religious festival of Muslims. Diwali is a religious festival of Hindus. So look at here. Eid festival is celebrated by Muslims. It marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan. People wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray, offer namaz. They have feast with seaway on this day and it's a sweet made on Eid. Then here it's Guru Purnima and it's celebrated by Sikhs and marks the birthday of Sikh Gurus. So look here. Guru Purnimas are the festivals of the Sikhs. Look at your textbook. They celebrate the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. Special prayers called Shabad Kirtan and community meals called Langas are made these days. Then Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December each year. They celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ on this day. Songs called carols, cakes and gifts by Santa Claus mark the days. So we say Christians celebrate 25th December in every year as Christmas and marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, so these are the 4 main religious festivals. Then the next one is some other festivals. Some other festivals celebrated in some of the states in India. Some other festivals, and in Tamil Nadu is a state in India and the harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu is Pongal. Okay, so Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu and the harvest festival of Punjab is Vaishagi. Then this is our harvest festival. We are living in Kerala and which is our harvest festival? It's Onam. Okay, so Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala and Holi is the festival of colors. So first one is harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu, and the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. PONGAL, Pongal. And next one is harvest festival of Punjab. Punjab is state in India and Vaishagi is the harvest festival celebrated in Punjab. Okay, PUNJAB, Punjab, and the harvest festival celebrated in Punjab is Vaishagi. VAISAKHI, Vaishagi. Then Kerala, which is the harvest festival in Kerala? KERALA. Kerala is our state and our harvest festival is Onam. ONAM, Onam. Then the harvest and the festival of colors. Which festival is called the festival of colors? Holi. And the festival of light is Diwali and festival of colors is Holi. So Holi, HOLI, Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Festival of colors. So what is the spelling of the word colors? COLOURS. COLOURS, colors. So the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal and the harvest festival of Punjab Vaishagi and harvest festival of Kerala Onam and the festival of colors is Holi. And here Pongal, Pongal, Baisakhi, Baishagi, then Onam, Onam, and the festival of colors. Festival of colors is Holi. Festival of colors. Festival. Festival of colors. COLOURS. Festival of colors is Holi. Okay. So, which is the harvest festival in Tamil Nadu? It's Pongal. 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 And the harvest festival of Kerala is Onam. And the harvest festival of Punjab is Baishagi. BAISAKHI. Baishagi. And the festival of colors is Holi. And we also celebrate birthdays, wedding, and other parties with our family, relatives, and friends. Okay. So here, take your textbook, page number 130, and look at your textbook. This picture shows Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. And here it's Baishagi. Baishagi is the harvest festival of Punjab. And here it's Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. And Holi is the festival of colors. And Holi marks the arrival of spring season. So take your textbook and look at your textbook. Some other festivals. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. HARVEST, harvest. Then Baishagi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the arrival of spring season. Then whatever be the season, whatever be the reasons, festivals are fun for one and all. We also celebrate birthdays, weddings, and success with our family, relatives, and friends. So these are the things that we discussed in our first chapter about India and some national symbols, their national festivals, religious festivals, and some other festivals. Okay. So which is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. NEWDELHI. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. And which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Guru Rabindranath Tagore. And which is our national song? Vande Mataram. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Then which are the three main national festivals? Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. INDEPENDENCE. Independence Day. Independence Day. Then Republic Day. REPUBLIC. Republic Day. And Gandhi Jayanti. GANDHIJAYANTI. Gandhi Jayanti. So these are the three main national festivals celebrated in India. And we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. 15th August. And celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Okay, so these are the three main national festivals celebrated in India. Then we studied about religious festivals. main religious festival celebrated in India? Yes, it's Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-Y, Diwali, and Eid, E-I-D, Eid. Then Gurupurab, G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B, Gurupurab. And Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. So these are the four main religious festivals celebrated in India. And Diwali is the religious festivals of Hindus. And Eid is the religious festivals of Muslims. And Gurupurab is the religious festival of Sikh. And Christmas is the religious festival of Christians. So these are the four main religious festivals celebrated in India. Then we studied about some other festivals. They are Pongal, Baishagi, Onam, Holi. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu and Baishagi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala and Holi is the festival of colors. Okay. So now we are moving to our exercise portion. So take your page number 131. Page number 131. And the first part, tick the correct answer. Part A, tick the correct answer. And here is the questions. First question, which is the national fruit of India? Which is our national fruit? Mango. So the first one, mango. So you tick the box corresponding to mango. So tick this box. Okay. So mango, it's our national fruit of India. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Then which is our national emblem? Here, it's our national emblem, Satyameva Jayade. So take on this box. And here it's a symbol of rupee and here it's mango. So this is our national emblem. Then who composed our national anthem? Guru Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Option B. Tick on this box. Then which color is in the middle of our national flag? Our national flag has three colors: saffron, white and green. And which is the middle color of our national flag? White. So option B, white. So tick here. Then the last question, which is the national animal of India? Which is the national animal of India? Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. So the first one. Okay, so tick the correct option. So do the answers in your textbook by using your pencil. Then take the next page, page number 132. And here answer the following questions. First question, which festival is also known as the Festival of Colors? Which festival is known as Festival of Colors? Holi. Holi is a festival. It is known as Festival of Colors. The answer is Holi. Holi is the Festival of Colors. Okay. Then the second question, which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Diwali is the festival known as Festival of Lights. Then which festival comes after the holy month of Ramadan? And it is Eid. Eid is the festival comes after the holy month of Ramadan. E-I-D. Eid. Then the fourth question, which is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu? Which is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu? Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. P-O-N-G-A-L. Pongal. Then the last question, name the harvest festival of Punjab. Which is the harvest festival of Punjab? Vaishakhi. Vaishakhi. Vaishakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. So the first question, which festival is known as the festival of colors? It's Holi. And which festival is known as the festival of lights? It's Diwali. And which festival comes after the holy month of Ramadan? It's Eid. And which is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu? It's Pongal. And which is the harvest festival of Punjab? It's Vaishakhi. Okay. Then the next part. See, identify the festival with the help box of the clue in the speech bubbles. And here some speech bubbles are given and you want to identify the festivals. So first one, here a boy stands and he says that I love to throw colored water on my friends on this day. So it's a festival of colors. So which festival is known as festival of colors? Holi. So right here, Holi. H-O-L-I. Holi. Then the second one. Here a girl standing and she say that I enjoy going to my friend's house and eating sea wine on this day. Sea wine is a special dish prepared on in which occasion? Eid. So the answer is Eid. So write Eid on the corresponding box. Then the next one, I wait for Santa to give me lots of gifts on this day. So we wait for Santa on Christmas. So the answer is Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. Then I go to Rajpath to watch the wonderful parade on this day. The wonderful parade is on Republic Day. Republic Day parade. So answer Republic Day. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C. Republic Day. D-A-Y. And the fifth one, I enjoy lighting diyas on this day. We celebrated by or lightning diyas on the Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. And it is fun to serve people at the Lenga on this day. In which day we make lengas? We make lengas on Guru Purab. So the answer is Guru Purab. G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B-S. Guru Purab. So you write the answers in the corresponding boxes. Then the next part. Fill in the blanks. Page number 133. First one, Dash remains as of the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Which festival remains as of the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya? Diwali. Diwali remains as of the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Okay, so the answer is Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. And the second one, Eid is celebrated at the end of the month of Ramadan. R-A-M-A-D-A-N. Ramadan. R-A-M-A-D-A-N. Ramadan. And a special song called Dasha sung on Christmas and it's carols. C-A-R-O-L-S. Carols. And the fourth one, Lenga is the dash meal served to people. Lenga is a community meal prepared on Guru Purab. So, okay. So, it's a community meal. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. Then the fifth question and the last question. Independence Day is celebrated every year on the dash of August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. 15 August in every year. So, our exercise portion is over. And in this chapter, we discussed about our country, India and festivals. So first lesson is over and you read your textbook more and more times, and if you have any doubts, ask me. So today let's wind up our class. Study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.